Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Feature Friday. Today we have with us Abhishek, and Abhishek will be guiding us about the next feature that we are going to talk about. So I will give the mic to Abhishek, and can you please introduce yourself in a brief?
Thank you, Anmol, for giving me this opportunity for explaining the features of Sparrow. My name is Abhishek Yadav, and I am actively contributing to Sparrow, contributing to front-end and as well as back-end architecture. And yes, collaborating with team, focusing on user experience and all.
Okay. So what feature are we going to discuss today?
So today we are talking about Sparrow Edge and a feature that help developer to quickly test APIs without the user sign-in or login, and that increase the user flow for testing APIs seamlessly without any login and sign up. And
Okay. So what is the major problem that this feature is solving?
basically, it removes the user friction to do login sign up in the app. Sometimes user want to quickly test the APIs, but for the login and sign up, we have to do multiple steps that the user have to follow. But Sparrow provides a quick frictionless user testing API flows, in which we can create multiple requests and multiple environments test flows that Sparrow provides. So Sparrow Edge features provide multiple things. As I said, that we can create multiple test flows environments, and we can test seamlessly without any sign up and login. Yeah, so that's the main feature that Sparrow provides.
So, like talking about sign up and login, so we generally skip, like we don't have to log in and sign up. It directly like takes us to the Sparrow application.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like in other apps, as we have seen that we have to do login, sign up, and also in some of the other our competitor, we saw that we have to buy the plan for testing APIs. But in Sparrow, we provide very seamless way of testing APIs. Simply, we just have to open Sparrow Edge, and we can directly create multiple APIs, GraphQL APIs, so test. So that's the main feature of Sparrow Edge that we are providing.
Okay. So, like, can you tell me how did this idea originated that you don't want to a user to log in and sign up again and again, want to skip this process?
As a developer perspective, as I say that like I have to test APIs seamlessly without any login sign up. So simply like we have thought that there is a way that we can test APIs very fastly without login sign up. So from that idea, that we thought that we should have an Sparrow Edge feature that will be providing us the feature of testing API very seamlessly and fast. So that's the idea where we originated. Like
Okay. So anything new that you learned while working on this idea?
initially, like when we started Sparrow Edge feature, so we have to thought multiple edge cases when user is not logging in. So what are the conditions that we are providing to the users, and also auth system that the Sparrow Edge user will be get.
Okay.
And also one more thing we have provided while implementing these features are handling the multiple creation of APIs like GraphQL APIs, since we are giving unlimited access to the user in the Sparrow Edge also.
Okay.
So that case also we have to handle. And other than that, the user experience will also like how we will manage the Sparrow Edge UI features that handles the user edge cases as well.
Nice. So, can you tell me any feature enhancements that are planned for the upcoming phases?
Like for the future enhancement, like we are taking about the shareable links for the APIs for the users. This is the main that we are looking, and also other than that, we are taking feedback from the users and developers how we can improve that.
Great. So, like, can you tell me, like, I have an additional question on top of that. Can you tell me, like, why Sparrow Edge? Like, Sparrow was the main Sparrow application was also giving the same things, right? So, what is extra in Sparrow Edge, and like, what is not there in the application?
Let me summarize you quickly. Basically, as I have told you that we need to test. Sometimes we need to test API very seamlessly without any login sign up. So first of all, thing that we don't have to sign up.
Yeah.
And other than that, we can create unlimited APIs, GraphQL APIs in that.
Yes.
So that's an add-on feature in that. So that's what like different makes different Sparrow Edge from other things like other APIs testing or other tools that you use as API testing.
Great. It was great like learning about Sparrow Edge from you. And if you all want to try Sparrow Edge, go to sparrowapp.dev and there you can go ahead and web login and then you can access the Sparrow Edge. And yeah, thank you so much Abhishek for the explanation.
Thank you.
Thank you.